Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another tutorial video. And today we're going to show you guys how to stop OneDrive from auto-loading. Here at our organization, we don't use OneDrive, so it just kind of got irritating every time the computer booted. I'd get that giant screen asking me to log in and sync all my files. So, here you'll go to your access, and then you will see right here, OneDrive. All you have to do is right click on it, go to settings, and then once you go get these settings open, you'll click on settings again, and then you'll see right here by default it says start OneDrive automatically when I sign into Windows. All you have to do is turn that off. Hit OK. Now, once you've done that, you no longer have to worry about it automatically opening every time you log into Windows. Now, if you want to get rid of it at the moment, all you have to do is go back to the OneDrive icon, right click, then you can go close OneDrive. And then it'll ask you if you're sure, you'll hit close OneDrive. There you go, it's closed, and now it will not automatically reopen. And I do believe that is the end of our tutorial. Let us know down in the comments what you would like to do a tutorial on next, and we will go ahead and catch you guys next time.